Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the last components from this assembly, and it will be these three easy parts. This kind of bolt support for the roller, this washer and this other part. We're gonna start with this one, then this one, and at the end will be the washer. So let's go ahead and open a new SolidWorks document, select your part. Now let's make this plane white and we'll open a sketch in the front plane. And here select line and let's make the next sketch. And now it's smart dimension, let's define it. From this line to this line here will be 14. This line here will have 8. And now this line here will have 54. And this one right here will have 50. Now we'll go to features and we'll use revolved boss base, and we'll select this line as axis of revolution. Press OK. Now we'll have to apply two chamfers. So we'll go up here to fillet, select chamfer. The first dimension will be 2 mm, the angle 45. Select this edge or this face, press OK. The next chamfer will have the dimension 1.5. And we'll have to select this other face, press OK. And now what we'll have to do is to open a sketch in the front plane. And let's select circle, we'll make here a circle. Select this center point with this one and select here, make vertical. And now it's smart dimension, let's give a radius, diameter to this circle. It will be 3 mm. And from this edge to this center point, here will be 6. Now go to features, use extruded cut, and here instead of up to next, we'll select roll both. Press OK. And now this is done. Let's give another appearance. To do this, as I explained it in the last tutorial, we'll go here on the right to appearance, go to appearance, click on this arrow, go to metal, and we can select it from here. Let's, for example, take polished steel, double click on it, and it's going to look as polished steel. Now don't forget to save this one, and let's move on to the next one. Let's make here plane white, and now we'll open a sketch in the top plane. And this one is very easy. What we'll have to do is to select circle and make two circles. And with smart dimension, let's give some diameters. First one will be 22. The second one will be 16. And now go to features, use extrude boss base command, and here will be 30 mm. Press OK. And now let's apply a chamfer. This chamfer, we can find it up here to the fillet chamfer. The dimension will be 1.5. And we'll select this inner face. Press OK. And now this is finished. Let's make the last one, which will be the washer. Let's open a new SolidWorks document, press OK, and let's make this plane white. And now you can open a sketch in what plane you want. And let's make again two circles. And the smart dimension, let's define them. This one will have 16 mm. And the bigger one will have 28. Now we'll go to features and we'll use extruded boss base command. The thickness for this washer will be 4 mm. Press OK. Now we'll have to apply a chamfer. So go to chamfer again. The dimension will be again 1.5. And press OK. Actually select the edge. It will be this AUTOTARCE, one of them, and press OK. And now don't forget to save it. And these are all the components for this assembly. This was the tutorial for today. If you like it, you can leave a like, you can subscribe if you want to see more in the future, and you can leave a comment with your opinion. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.